Well, hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. And here we are. I'm gonna get on the road. Let me fix this up. Okay. Uh, let's turn that around. There we go. Hello. Hello everybody. Okay. Hopefully the audio is going to come out well. We're going to test this out. It's the first time trying this out. Oh, okay. The car coming. Let's get going. And here we are. Once again, my name is Bruno, and welcome to my channel. Hopefully you've had an opportunity to check out a few other videos that I have. So, hope you enjoyed them. If you do, please give a like. If you don't, well, you know, you don't have to, but it's okay. I'll forgive you. Now, I am new to this. I've been filming a little bit here and there, but this time I figured try doing a ride, a video while I ride and talk at the same time. See how that comes out. Never done it before. Hopefully it comes out well. Where is it? Everything's locked. Yeah, we're good. Get paranoid. Think everything is open. Pockets are open. Lose something. So, what day? Today it's, what is this? May 6th today, 2021. It's like 14 degrees. Just had a long day of work, and I figured, let's go for a ride. Oh, bumps in the road. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh, turned down a little bit. Let me fix that up. Sorry about that. Bumps in the road. I'm still working on the the mounting here of the camera, trying to get a good angle on it. So travels. I labeled the channel as travels. Yet I'm yet to do a significant amount of travel. I don't. My plan was to do more travel when I a couple of years ago, do more moto vlogging or moto travels and stuff like that. And I've done a few. If you look at my videos, you'll notice a few trips I've done. They were really nice, and I really want to keep doing them. I want to be able to travel more around the world if I can. I live in Canada, so there is a lot of places I could visit and go riding in Canada. But I want to experience also more than that. I've done Europe a little bit. I say this a little bit because, oh, buddy, oh, that guy just cut that late. I don't know. Wow. Sorry. Where was I? Yeah. So, yeah, I've done Europe. My background, I'm from Portugal, so I've done a little bit of riding in Portugal. I've gone across Spain. Did a little bit of France, all the way to Paris, and I've gone Italy as well. That was nice as well. Yeah, I did a couple of those rides. Enjoyed them a lot. They were really nice, really good, and you know, I've been riding for I've been riding on and off for a couple of years. I rode for a couple of years back. I rode a lot, and then I stopped for a couple of years, and then I got the bug for it again, and I figured, you know what, get back on, hop back on, and go, and I did. So then I figured I'd share a bit of the videos, so by recording some stuff and sharing it with with everyone. First, I just shared it with family, but then I just started sharing more with people. Uh, Along my video, I've also done some of my channel. I've done some reviews as well on some things, so I figured I'll incorporate that more often. Um, yeah, I was just basically wanted to do this video. One, to test out this audio, see if it's working. For all I know, I've been talking this whole time and nothing comes out properly. And we'll figure that out shortly when I check it later on. Yeah. Well, I guess for now, maybe I'll just flip the camera over and you guys can see the road a little bit. Record a little bit of that. Avoid some holes if I can. Something, maybe I'll put out a question. Um, like, maybe you guys can want to comment in the comments. Um, what drives you guys to, what brings you to my channel or even other channels? What is it you're looking for? Um, Maybe you have some options, some opinions on how I can make my channel a little better. Uh, Again, I'm a small channel right now, very few subscribers. I'd appreciate that if you would subscribe. That helps out. Um, yeah, but yeah, if you have any questions, maybe some suggestions, I'd love some places to visit. I'm in, Canada. Uh, where else? Yeah, anywhere really. So for my motorcycles, I own two currently. I have the 2019 Harley Davidson Street Glide. That's what I'm riding here. I have this in Canada, and then in Europe I have the Honda Hornet 600. Um, I have that. That's what I've used to do my Europe trips. Um, yeah, some people have said, "Am I crazy doing doing those rides in Europe on a 600?" Yeah, you have to be a little crazy to do that. But some people are like, "Oh, is the bike gonna handle that? Is it gonna last?" Yeah, it did. It had its problems. There's obviously in any trip you do where you're putting a lot of wear and tear on the motorcycle, there's going to be problems, but they're all not like major things. It was all minor. Uh, uh, what example? Oh, my speedometer that stopped working. Had it fixed in Paris. Um, my chain, I wasn't lubing my chain enough. Um, I thought I was. Proved me wrong. So I tried to get it fixed in Spain. Um, wasn't very lucky, and wasn't very lucky with that. I ended up kind of making my way back to Portugal, where then I dropped it off at my mechanic, and he was able to assist with that service. But you know what? Even after all those kilometers, that chain, which I thought it was gonna maybe might break, something might have happened, but luckily it didn't, and I made it back. Yeah, those were good times. I enjoyed it. Definitely would love to do it. I'd love to do it on the Harley. I'd love to do another a trip like that in Europe on the Harley. It would definitely save my back. Just save me a lot. Uh, but yep. But if anybody has any suggestions, I'm always up for listening for some options. Anyways, well, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. I know it's boring. I'll try to edit this thing a bit small so it's a quick video. Um, Overall, subscribe, like. All right. Have a good evening.